Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for east central Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, central Parker County in north central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., storm spotters and Doppler radar observed a developing tornado 4 miles southwest of Mineral Wells, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This developing tornado is headed right into the heart of the city of Mineral Wells. Take cover immediately. The tornado will be near Mineral Wells around 6:30 p.m. Cool, Millsap and Mineral Wells State Park around 6:40 p.m. Weatherford and Hudson Oaks around 7:15 p.m. Evacuate mobile homes for a storm shelter or permanent building. If no shelter is available, lie flat and under a stitch and cover your head. The normal broadcast schedule has been suspended because warnings have recently been issued for parts of your listening area. These warnings and statements will play next. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning.